and the path goes that way. But I'm deciding to go that way, not just because I want to be off the path, but because there's a hill in there, or that direction. And here you have absolutely no view of the entire landscape, so sometimes you have to go off the beaten track to be able to see the entire picture, and that can make you feel lonely, I guess, because most people go on the path. But then there's that sort of reward for believing in yourself and for having the courage and the vision to go in places where no one has been. And this way you can help a lot of other people, but also usually you find some sort of friendship that is much more rewarding than being or staying on the path where everybody is lost and confused, or certain, because the other side of being confused, and they can't be separated. But there will be obstacles on the way, mind you. Mind you. And these obstacles, I mean, they look big and scary and like, oh, you shall not pass. But then if you are adopting a rabbit attitude, you might find ways around it or underneath. And with a bit of effort and vigilance, you end up on the other side of the obstacle, and you shouldn't look back. You know, just the same way you never look down when you're on top of a hill. Well, actually, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, you don't look back because it's scary. Well, but it's behind you. But then, when you thought, oh, it's over, there's one little branch that can just make you reconsider your trajectory. Now this time, oh, and I can see there's another one there. But then after that, who knows? Maybe, just maybe, freedom awaits. Oh no, there's another obstacle. Well, the thing is obstacles to what? You don't even know. You don't even know where you're going, and there's obstacle, and you're thinking, why would I ever choose a path with obstacles? But there's something that wants you to go that way. There's something that really calls you. Something inside of you wants to explore something you've never seen before. Maybe because you're just bored with everything that you know, and you just want to have a glimpse of what you've never experienced before. And that feeling can never be replicated or replaced with something you just imagine. You have to live it, love it. You have to love it as well. That's where I'm going to be at some point. Someone coming. So yes, I did meet some people on the way. Turns after all, I'm not the only one who ventures off the beaten track. And the quality of connection is much higher here, because it's not just an ordinary day with ordinary people, it's an extraordinary day with extraordinary people. Oh, it's swampy in here. So it means that the nature of connection will be different, because you both acknowledge each other's choices of choosing something that is requires something brave inside of your heart, and you can relate and you can connect with something very specific and very dear to each and one of us. So when that person or those people will come off the beaten track, nobody knows, but that's the beauty of the mystery. And this is something that is not a reason why you choose this track anyway. So it's more like a bonus. I'm gonna go this way. So here I am, top of the hill, on my own. Was it worth it? Maybe not. I went through all these obstacles, but the view here, you can't show it in a video. It's the details that the camera can never capture. But you have a glimpse of what's possible here. Something truly special. Not because of the view in particular, but how it feels like to just see something that hasn't been seen so often from a place of grace and appreciation for being able to climb a hill and look over the hills and be free. Something deep inside of us knows that if you haven't worked hard for something, it's probably lacking inherent value. We don't seem to know how to appreciate things that just come to us without work or effort. And whenever we work hard for something, it can be marriage, it could be having a child, climbing a hill just to enjoy the view. You appreciate it a lot more. It's inherent. It's something that comes naturally. If you're just born on top of this hill, you're probably not going to appreciate it so much. You want to go down and see what's going on at the bottom. And you have to work your way out of this paradise. Or other people, prison. Because it does look a little bit of both heaven and hell.